Hello and welcome back to CodeResist, where we simplify complex financial concepts for you. Today, we're diving into a key business valuation method known as net asset value, NAV. Whether you're a small business owner, an investor, or just curious about financial metrics, understanding NAV is crucial. Let's get started. NAV stands for net asset value, a straightforward yet powerful tool used to determine a company's value by subtracting its liabilities from its assets. It essentially shows what the company is worth on paper today. This calculation includes everything the company owns, from buildings and machinery to patents and trademarks, and subtracts everything it owes. Now, you might wonder why NAV is so important. It gives a snapshot of a company's financial health and provides investors with a baseline value. It's especially relevant for companies with significant physical assets, like those in real estate or manufacturing. For example, let's look at a manufacturing company. If it has $10 million in total assets and $4 million in liabilities, its NAV would be $6 million. Calculating NAV is also a critical step in evaluating investment funds, particularly mutual funds and ETFs, where it's calculated daily to reflect the fund's per share value. Here are some tips when calculating and using NAV. 1. Accurate valuation. Ensure all assets and liabilities are up to date and accurately valued. 2. Industry considerations. Remember, the relevance of NAV can vary by industry due to differences in asset types and business models. 3. Limitations. While NAV is insightful, it doesn't capture future growth potential or operational performance, so use it alongside other valuation metrics. And that's a wrap on net asset value. By understanding NAV, you can gain deeper insights into a company's financial standing and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance fundamentals. Have any questions, or is there another topic you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep analyzing and investing wisely.